just to make sure.
Hold on, let's go pull this shit. Oh, I feel my back now.
We've been overseas, but now I'm by the beach. Which way you want? I think I'm by the tree. No one's weighing on your mind. It's weighing at the street. You say it's all fine. It was bad last week. You say you wanna talk. As we speak. You say you wanna walk. Move them feet. Little devil chalk. Dead in the street. Always on my mind. Put it on the time. Put it on the Instagram. Put it on the line. Like, put it on my head. Conscious on the inside. Like, phone inside. All we call it. Like, all we want is love. I'ma show you how to feel. But I say this first. Let someone with my bill. I need to let some worse. While my hands on the wheel. What's for the worst, but I'm the first. What's my worst out? What's wrong? What's the worst? Become my shit out. And then tell me what you did. Put it on the light. Let it rage. Let it fight. All you ever do is ride like a bike. One cup first.
It open 24.1. I'm a 35 to 39 Masters. I'm doing this at Training Think Tank.
Take it back first. Before you get hit, before you get worse. I can't put it into words, but I do it first. Shot the big boat. I'm so concrete. The main 10 mil. As we speak, they stole to the city. They sent it to the beach. She wanna bring a friend. Girl, I got no back seat. Fucking a man, fucking a hoe from the rest of this area. Spanish so long, they talk to me like I'm from like in a man, boo. You know your rest, you get up to a circle like that in a man, boo.
We're gonna have to do like everybody stand at your dumbbell and people look at the camera.
No, side to my life, fuck it over. Really can't even spell ball with no well. They know they ain't hanging out on my trip. Thought it was big till I got on the scale. My nigga flicker with a house, chain on the range, I ain't got it on deal. Let the money come first. We got $1 billion money. Which one first? I could put you in this bed. I could make it much worse. I can take it all down. Make it hurt, above hurt. Ain't you with us some dirty? I make this shit hurt. To the edge.
Why you talking unreal like this? I'm kidding. I'm trying to keep up. You got beat. I got my cup ready.
As we speak, it's not for discussion.
So you can start right over.
Baby, lately I've been going crazy.
Why does it smell? It tastes nice.
You did?
Yeah, with the little setting, I'm like.
I did.
still remember those days.
Here's the look chart. Where you at? Right here. And also reality.
Nice, nice, nice.
So I was like, one, I want to see what's wrong again. She's pouring her pee out, okay?
My mom, I'm a son of
Take off the Bluetooth, take off the couches, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the microphone, take off the phone, take off the...
Come on, hibbity hobbity. The best part about doing the workout on Thursday is just getting to cheer for everyone as they surpass your score. It's awesome. It's the best feeling. Seeing everyone succeed is just amazing.
Take off the shuttle bus. Take off the take off the football, take off the...
Every athlete that is in their feet, please stand by your dumbbell. Every coach, please go behind the athlete's camera. We want to make sure we're not blocking anyone with these camera angles and judging. So athletes by their dumbbell, coaches by their camera.
Back camera's right there.
I'm gonna face that way.
So Haley's okay. On this side.
Somebody look through it and make sure we're not
Chris, is
blocking
that camera okay?
Are we gonna hit?
Balance and go slide over that way.
I'm gonna face this way when I work out.
Okay. Everybody start a video by the camera real quick. Athletes, stay there. Hit record. Judges, go walk by where you think you're going to judge them. And athletes, do one snatch and one burpee.
Hold on, you want us to start the camera?
I want you to start the camera and then we're going to do this.
Okay, one snatch, one burpee.
One snatch, one burpee. Alright, good. Go record. Check out the video. Just let's make sure we're not blocking anybody.
Yeah.
And you can see a
I'm
flaw.
gonna reset this.
You got pee on your shoes?
No, it's the water outside.
Ooh, can't the clock. That was a good call, Karen.
Good? You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Roof, CrossFit Open 24.1. I'm at Training Big Tank. For one more year, baby. Come on, man. Are you ready to go? We're done there.
That's competitive. It's the same workout.
They have to, yeah, back to the dumbbell.
With the camera on
I am slowly going deaf. Oh, I gotta get my dumbbell. Gabby. Are you moving, Kyle? Nope.
Just touched down, feeling like motion. Fucking on t-shirt, fucking on suits. Don't discriminate with this goose. She just wanna drink, do a little twist. Beat it all day, beat it all night. from both sides. I be with the pay up funds, trying to get my body down, show something going up. Alright, let's go! Ain't going enough. No, it's all on me. This might make you fall in love. 3, 2, 1. And I'm like, go! And I'm like, what? All this money on the floor. Till next door, that white show I do. Make it drop to a toast. Baby, I'll do it up real soon. Do it, baby, do it. Up that one, that's like a jet goes. Back up, 6 push. 10. Tryna make it move.
11.
You don't like it, then show us. Do it when you don't change the show costs. You know what these hoe costs. I ain't finna pay the whole cost. 16. You gon' need an audience. I ain't so anything you want, I got it. Southside to a down shot to my top 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Who am I? Yeah, that's yeah. Just a whole 100K, I'm a payday. If I show her what she look, I think she just might quit. I just bought my bitch rich. Spending all this money like it's free to me. That shit fall off trees to me. We ain't stressed, we the new kings and sheets. We done made a mess, they gon' have to clean for weeks. All this money on the floor, till the next throw it up, watch how I do it. Make it drop to the toast. Pick it up, real slow. Baby, do it. Up that night, that's like a jet goes. Back up, 6 goes. Tryna make it more. Do it. She got that little fast, she finna lose it. Fucking from the back, going stupid. Pulling out the trash, out the glue. Anything like motion, shit. Fucking like a lover, I'm confused. She don't wanna go hard, she refused. 20. I can say about it, cause I'm cool.
21.
Top boy like the little one. Thugged out, bitch, nigga better get it done. I'm him with the B on the biggest one. That's how I'm in the party, I'm finna kill it from. Yeah. You telling all the lies, stay with the money, I'm a Yeezy and that sign. That pussy wavy with a swag on the water line. The hoes love me cause I'm a water sign. All this money on the front, till next throw it up, don't show I do it. Make it drop to a toast, pick it up, real so high. Do it, baby, do it. Up that one, that's like a jet goes. In your back, come 06 goes. What's that? Try to move. a bench full of Chris. I'm in Sis Taylor Swift. Side the rolling on the wrist. I'm a new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't. Here's a bitch she on it. She ride a dick like a promise. I didn't need the impossible. Here's a bitch she on it. She ride a dick like a promise. I didn't need the impossible. She got a boy like a combo. You know, have a flash, but she gon' get me up like a combo. So let her come and shit the whole time. She ain't proud, so she roll up the X's while I'm around. She tell my name on the TV, she got but it's a burner. See that kind of dog, she wanna taste the chicken scratch, they gon' come out to her lot. If you don't, I know I just hope, cause I'm fixing that new clothes. Running alive, I know they time. Chris, bitch, I'm out of bass and bitch. Five, 3, 6, 7, 9, go, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, She gon' make you burn.
Let's go.
I do damage. You can stand it.
Let's go. Got it. 1,
let me catch it, match it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last time. Got it. Come on, bro. Yeah, Lauren. Nice, Lauren. Come on, Lauren. Almost there. Nice, Lauren.
6. Down to the ball dance. Met a couple ball players, found a ball stance. Now we in the bathroom, she found a ball face. Took some shots. I can't even go inside my uncle's light yet. I might need to hit the town, I need you right here, right here. Distribution of Chuck and found Nina. I tell the baby that's Nina Simone. Hey, driving through the liquor store faded, bladed. Hands in this motherfucker waving. 80s, 80s, like the 90s and 2000s. Driving through this motherfucker riding. come and punch. I've been with the choir, behind the casinos. In the presentation, tickets got me needed. Kilo, buzzing around this motherfucker, brains in the windows. And this whole shit is stopping. There's a bunch of trouble.
You are.
Remember, like, he was like 4 ahead of me.
And then the second set, she got a lot.
It might have been 4 ahead.
By the end of the
All right, you guys motivated now for the halfway done?
Trying to take a step back, you were like closer. And then, no, you were closer. And then also, everybody's coming in the middle. Yeah, I know. Too late. I was trying to do my top.
701, damn, that's what you got. I have no idea. You were supposed to have?
You were like 706 or something.
Yeah, I was not super far behind, but I don't know what I got exactly.
You were like 2 burpees behind.
I didn't see you really, so I could see. Yeah, you were faster. Like, the last guy.
You were 740? Yeah. Nice job, dude.
15.
You know,
Let's go, Briggs! Oh yeah. Time for the real workout now.
Are you doing what I'm doing?
I'm gonna work out with you. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm gonna cheer so loud.
yes.
Yes, sir. You love to hurt. Do some programming. There's a lot of strategy in this. A lot of patience. I know. Turn the volume up.
Hey, is that mine? You can stop it.